big kitchen, big primary suite, and a basement ready for your touch. Today we're at 1723 Kalina Trail in Bar Nunn, which is right next to Casper, Wyoming. Today I'm taking you inside a home packed with big features, big possibilities, and big reasons to fall in love. From the outside, this home gives you a big welcoming presence. Clean landscaping, a full sprinkler system, and a charming entryway that says, come on in and make yourself at home. Let's take a peek inside. Right when you walk inside, you're gonna notice how big and open the living room is. This is not one of those cramped floor plans. This living room goes right into the dining room and then right into the kitchen. This kitchen is an entertainer's dream. Not only do you have tons of counter space, but you also have lots of cabinets. They are cityscape. You have a pantry and these high-end Samsung appliances that are just a couple years old. One of my very favorite things about this home is there's luxury vinyl planking throughout all of the living spaces, tile in the bathrooms and carpet in the bedrooms. Another big win right off the kitchen is the main floor laundry. No more hauling laundry up and down the stairs. Now this is a big primary suite, and it actually has a walk-in closet. It's big enough to walk in. And the primary ensuite, it's big too. The decor matches the rest of the house. It has double sinks, tile floors, a massive soaker tub with tile surround for the shower, and a dedicated linen closet. To round off the main level, 2 more bedrooms, a bathroom, and a big storage closet. And here's where the biggest potential comes in, the full unfinished basement. You already have a bathroom stub out, making it easy, so finish it like you want. Want a home gym, a massive game room, a theater space, or maybe even more bedrooms? This is a blank canvas just waiting for your big ideas. If you're ready for a big life in Bar Nunn, please schedule your private tour today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon. Are you bougie too? Is that too dorky? Wait, I screwed up. Ready? What was I gonna say?